Hey guys, welcome back to the Pac Magician channel. So today I got lucky, got up kind of early, and I was able to snag a few boxes of mosaic, 3 mosaic boxes, and I don't know why I grabbed this flux box, but I grabbed it. So go ahead and open that. I also got 2 playoff boxes, playoff contender boxes that I'm gonna rip probably in like tomorrow or like another couple of days. So let's get into this rip. Let's go. I also have my brake mat on the way. I'm excited about that. The Pac Magician brake mat. It's gonna be, see it here soon. Probably in like another week or 2. But let's get into this rip, man. I'm excited. I know we're gonna find some fire today. I have a feeling we're gonna find some fire. I kind of wanted to get all the mosaic boxes. I don't know. I feel like I'm addicted. There's like 10 boxes. I wanted to grab all 10. I was like, let me calm down. Let me get 3. I tend to get ahead of myself. So let's see what we can get in these boxes. We're looking for deluxe, flux appeal, and more. 4 hanger box exclusive laser prisms per box on average. No, I only opened like one of these, and I really didn't like what I got out of them, so I don't know why I bought this box, but I have a feeling we're gonna pull something fire today. So we're looking for, you can get base silvers, light blue, pink lasers, flux base gold laser numbered to 10, flux rookie silver, light blue, pink laser, flux rookie card, gold laser numbered to 10, flux signatures, gold black numbered 10 to 1, flux rookie signatures, gold black numbered from 10 to 1, flux freshman signatures, and then the list goes on. Get into this break though. Not break, I'm getting into this rip. Excited. What we got? Is that a black card I see? What is this? Uh-oh. Nah, I'm tweaking. Never mind. No black card. Let's get into it. What do we have? I see an Ant-Man. Ooh, do I see an Ant-Man? I see an Ant-Man. Ant-Man. Okay, so we got a Kyrie. TJ McConnell. Daniel Thief. Jonas Valanciunas. I see some sparkly. Oh, I like that. Let's cover it back up. Enes Kanter. Josh Okogie, I think. I don't know how to say that. Fred VanVleet. Al Horford. Robin Lopez. Desmond Bane. Ooh, blue. That's a nice card. That is a nice one. Desmond Bane blue. That is a nice card. Let me see what I got back here. It's looking like something. This is silver. PJ Tucker silver. This is a nice card right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sleeve that up. Got a PJ Tucker silver. And a DeAndre Ayton flux appeal, okay. Montrezl Harrell. Ooh, Montrezl Harrell. We'll take it. Dorian Finney-Smith. We'll take it. Flux appeal, DeAndre Ayton. That's a nice one. Let's see what we got. Pete. Hervik. Okay. Looks like the rest are just base. And Zeke Naji. Okay. Sadiq Bey. Isaiah Stewart. Denny. Got a fee. Anthony Edwards. Nice. No complaints. No complaints at all. Sadiq. Pan that up. Pan all these up actually. I'm not very familiar with Denny. Okay. Get some sleeves. Sleeve these bad boys up. Got some new sleeves, some more sleeves too. Okay, let's see. Go ahead, sling. Here's Ant. Oof, I cannot. No complaints at all whatsoever on that flux box. Got an Ant. Got a Compazzo. Sadiq. Zeke Naji. I'm playing this Zeke Naji up. It's a nice card. These are nice. I like these insert. I mean, yeah. Where's it? I'm tweaking. Sorry. Laser prisms. I like these laser prisms. Nice. You kind of see the reflectiveness of it. That's nice. Pandas. I'm excited to get into these mosaic. I like this box. This rip was nice. I'm excited to get into these mosaic now. Okay. Stewart. Pan up this it's a D. It's a D. Got 30. Pete. Dorian. Okay. Montrez. Desmond Bain. Yeah, I'm paying this up. Flex appeal. Hey, yeah. Got my trash can. This is a nice pool right here. It's a lovely pool. Look at this one. It's nice. Nice. I'm not disappointed with that box at all, actually. I'm happy I picked that box up. Time for mosaic. Let's get into it. The trash can. Get into it. I'm taking it off camera. These things kind of give me a little difficulty. There we go. There we go. What do we have? Hopefully something amazing. What's on the back? Okay, again. No, used to seeing that. Hall of Fame. Let's see what we got. See what we got. We got a Mo. Caris LeVert. Let's see if I see something pretty shiny. Schmidt. Troy Brown Jr., Kobe White, Steven Adams. Oh, my alarm went off. I have to figure out how to put these videos together, but we're gonna find a way. Got a Kelly. Ooh, I see Elevate. Kelly, Devin Vassell, okay. I forget how to say his name. Okay. Anthony Davis, National Pride is nice. Mason Jones, Malachi Flynn, Tyrese, can't be mad with that. Lori, Matisse, Zach Collins, Desmond Bain. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Elevate Christian. Chris Stapps. Say Christian. That's a nice card. And then a hollow. And this one up. Look at Tyrese card. Oops, that did not sound good, but pan that up. Huh? A couple of the rookies have their own pile. Ant-Man, National Pride. I said Ant-Man. I mean Anthony Davis. Go ahead and pan this up too. The inserts. Matisse, Zach, and Lori. All right. Next box. Got. Show me some love. Show me some love. Uh-oh. Show me some love. Got Davis and ooh, Bron. LeBron. Is that numbered? I don't think that's numbered. Is it? Nah. Looks like a regular Elevate. I'll take a Bron though. Looks like a regular one. Davis. Got RJ Barrett. Malcolm. Danny Green, Morant, 3rd year, we'll take it. like any cards of his. Doug McDermott, Brandon Clark, Jabari Parker. So I'm just flying through these base guys. Okay, got a debut. Anthony Edwards, we'll take that. We will take that. Emmanuel Quickly, who is this national pride? See the team. Lakers. LeBron. Okay, nice. LeBron national pride. Cool. Cool. Got it Quickly. LeBron national pride. Maxi rookie. Oh, this package is fire. What do we got here? This is a large one. Okay. What's right here? I see some colors. Bucks. Jordan. We'll take it. No complaints. We'll take it. Luka insert. Hero insert. Personal collection. Lou Williams. Then we got I don't know how to say his last name. I'm not even gonna try to. Got Jason Kidd and then LeBron insert. It's nice. Hey, these packs have been treating me pretty fairly well. I love it. Pan these cards up. Oops, didn't mean that. These packs have been treating me fairly well. I love it. Absolutely love it. I like this. This is a nice. I like the mosaics, how they look. They have a nice look to them. Maxi, Tyrese, okay. Got the Bron, National Pride. Got the debut, Anthony Edwards. Debut. Quickly. Pan this one up. Might as well go ahead and pan this job, even though it's third year. He's been going crazy, so pan that up. There's a lot of bend in this card. It's kind of bent. Okay. Got our other rookies. I want to say bro been doing good. We're paying him up too. One more box. These other boxes have been treating us pretty good. See what we got in this one. Been treated pretty good. Let's see what we got. Keep on opening it off camera. I'm sorry. Colin. Jason. Okay. Tatum. What we got? All right. Colin. Got Andrew. Kyle Kuzma. Zach Collins. Dort. Don't know how to say his first name. Bobo. Nice. Seen a lot of colors back there. Maxi Kleber. Kawhi Leonard. Wiseman debut. We'll take that. Theo Maledon. Larry Bird. Tillman debut. It's a Tillman rookie. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, what is that? Theo. Put him there. Let's see what we got. Suns. Ayton Silver. Nice. Tillman rookie. Ayton Silver. That's a nice one. Atlanta Hawks. Trae Young. Is that a Young? Clint Capella. We'll take the Clint Capella. We should have been a trade, but we'll take Clint. Ayton Silver. Nice. Wendell Carter Jr. Sicko. Taylor Thornton. Tucker. Magic. That's a nice one. I like that. Got a bang. Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Okay. Oof, and an all green Tatum. Oh my goodness. Look, that card is beautiful. Look at that. Oh man, that card is beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. Nice. Nice. Overall, I feel like that was a successful rip. Got a lot of great cards out of those. That's nice. Like I said, there was like 10 boxes. I wanted to grab all 10, but you know, pocket's not looking too hefty to grab 10 now. Grabbed my 3. Got my 3. You know, of course, you gotta leave some for others, you know. Can't be selfish. Grabbed my 3. Got the box of flux. I'm glad I grabbed that box of flux. Successful pull. It was a nice pull. Nice pull. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna just pan this up just cause, you know, it's probably not a very rare answer, but I'm gonna pan it up. Like this Johnson, gonna get this one panned up. Elevate, beautiful elevate. This is beautiful elevate. Look at this again, one more time, just beautiful, beautiful. 8 in silver. It's a nice card. Sun's been going crazy. Got a Tillman rookie. Got a Wiseman debut. That's the last card I'm gonna pan up. Nice. Overall, it's a very nice pull. I like it. I love it. I like it. I love it. Okay, so that was it for the rip. Thank you for anybody who tuned in. Like I said, for the giveaway, I still want to do my giveaway once I get to 100 subscribers. I'm looking to give away, I believe, a blaster box, or I said something from my personal collection, but we're gonna figure out something to do for the giveaway. It's gonna be a really good giveaway. I might pull something out of my personal collection, and then something with like a blaster box as well, or like maybe try to find some mosaic football or basketball, or just anything I can get my hands on so I can get it out. But thank you for tuning in to the Pack Magician. Hopefully on these next few couple weeks I'll have my break mat so you can see that looking all nice. And then, you know, y'all have a blessed one. And hopefully I can catch you on the next one. Peace out.